Good morning, my dear students. Ting tong. In the present video, we are going to discuss about a snack charmer story. Let's have some new words about this chapter, and by getting these words, you are much familiar with your chapter. You may much familiar with your chapter. The first word is snack, means सांप, charmer, sapera, story, kahani, poison, zehar, depend, nirbhar. Dear students, you have to learn these words too. Just carefully observe this picture. There is a man who is playing a bean before a snack, and there are children are standing around him, and they are laughing and enjoying this game. Do you know the community which shows such type of games of snacks, or can say which catches the snack for their surviving, which takes the poison from the mouth of snack as a career, that community known as the Kalbelia community. Kalbelia. There are many people, beta, who make their survivings with the help of animals like milkman. Got it? Okay, just observe this picture. These are two snacks. Here I want to tell you, or I want to share with you, that all snacks are not poisonous. There are few snacks who are poisonous, some snacks who are not poisonous. Like, for example, this is a picture of cobra. Cobra is a poisonous snack. And another picture is emerald tree boa. This is a non-poisonous snack. Are you able to see this? Good. Wow, what is this? This is a forest picture. Where you can get these snacks, where you can see the snacks easily? In the forest, of course. In the forest we have flora and fauna, means plants, vegetables, animals, all find together at one place. This is forest. And in forest, trees are the basic thing, and do you know what's the food of trees? Yes, sunlight, carbon dioxide, water. Yes, you have read this in your earlier class too. Good. Wow, lovely sparrow. This is sparrow, and in the nest there are sparrow's baby, means to say baby bird. Are you able to see this? Let me show you by this. This is a snack. This is snack. Sparrow's baby. Got you? How sparrow speaks? Chee 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 chee. Good. Wow, lovely kitten. Do you know who is the mama of this kitten? Yes, cat. Cat's children known as kitten. Meow, meow, meow. Wow, this is colt. The mother of colt is cow. Moo, moo. You can repeat this sound with me. Colt's mother is cow, and cow's child is colt. We should always help to all, human, animal, and nature, because we all are helping for each other in surviving on earth. So, this is enough for the present video. In the next video, we will meet again. Till then, take care, my dear children, and thanks, my little angels too. Bye bye. Take care.